The primary mission and vision of the University Transportation Center for Railway Safety is a holistic approach to railway safety through research, education, workforce development, technology transfer, and community engagement activities geared towards ultimate goal of zero accidents and zero deaths. My name is Constantine Taraune. I am the director of the University Transportation Center for Railway Safety at the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. The University Transportation Center for Railway Safety has many achievements that we are very proud of. One of our accomplishments is that we have been able to achieve our long pursuit of getting wireless onboard sensors to detect bearing defect failures, wheels and tracks, which is an alternate approach to the current wayside detection systems. This pursuit started almost 2 decades ago, and through the hard work of faculty, students, industry partners, federal agencies, we've been able to accomplish that with our sensors now being fully validated and deployed in several Class 1 short lines and rail car owners. Another very important accomplishment is what we have been able to do to the community and the impact we have had on the community through our STEM railway safety summer camps, which are the largest camps in the nation. Over the past decade, we have hosted almost 10,000 K-12 students, elementary, middle school, and high school. And we have changed the lives of many of those students in terms of pursuing careers in STEM. Some of those students are actually now members of our UTCRS family, working on research and education and helping other students and other future generations.
My name is Abel David Sanchez Trinidad. I am a graduate research student here at UTCRS, and I'm pursuing a mechanical engineering degree here at UTRGV. My journey to become a mechanical engineer started 10 years ago, when I was just about to turn 14 and just about to go into high school. My mom introduced me into the UTCRS summer engineering program at UTRGV, where in this program I was going to learn about how to work with my hands, work with the teams, and basically overall get a glimpse of what really engineering is about. So after attending this program, I went to high school, and from high school I started college, and immediately after starting college I started working with the CUTC Baja team, a student-led organization program where Dr. Tarane students were attending that. In this program I was able to talk to them. They were telling me what they do and the support that they get from Dr. Tarane. And from there on, I decided, I was like, okay, this is something good that I want to do for my college career. I went to see Dr. Tarane's office, introduced myself, basically told him all the stuff that I can do as far as designing, working in the lathe, welding. From there, I started working with Dr. Tarane in 2021. And now, 2024, I'm pursuing a higher education in master's degree in mechanical engineering. And this is all thanks to Dr. Tarane for his support and being there for us.
My name is Dr. Angela Chapman. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Teaching and Learning in the College of Education and P16 integration. I'm also the education coordinator for the UTCRS. The UTCRS summer camps have engaged our K-12 students in learning opportunities that have really motivated them to consider engineering or other STEM careers. And many of them do come here to the university to study in engineering or another STEM major. To me, that is very important, but also the work we're doing in partnerships with our school districts is to me a very fundamental part of this, because we've worked with over several hundred teachers to provide them with professional development. They also work in the summer camps, and often they take that curriculum back to their classrooms, and to me that is the ultimate impact.
My name is Beatriz Valenzuela, and I'm a STEM and CTE specialist for Gear Up Pathways to the Future at Region 1 Education Service Center. My role as a Gear Up STEM CTE specialist at Region 1 has been influenced by my experience with RET because I was able to get that professional development, that one-on-one instruction and support from Dr. T and from engineering students and from Dr. Chapman to be able to take this information and then be able to create lessons that are engaging for students and to let them know that engineering is an attainable program of study for them. What was eye-opening once I was able to come to work at the regional level was that there are so many districts, so many teachers that are hungry for that assistance, and they're looking for ways to be able to help students. As teachers, we're in it to help students. We want to improve the community, but something that we really need help with is access to resources, access to that information and that content and that knowledge. So being a part of the RET has been an enriching experience for me. Now at Gear Up with Region 1, I promote the program and I tell teachers, apply for these programs. You're investing in yourself, you're investing in your professional development, you're investing in your community. So these types of experiences are things that teachers need to know about, and once they learn about it, you'll be sure that they're gonna sign up because they are in it to make a difference for the students, they're in it to make a difference for the community.
In the coming years, the UTCRS will be focusing on expanding its network of collaborators to include many Class 1 railroads, testing facilities, private industry stakeholders, and any other rail industry stakeholders who are wanting to partner with us towards the ultimate goal of rail safety, increasing rail safety, improving proactive detection of failures, making sure that our technologies can help increase the safety and transport of goods across the United States. We also hope to be able to impact more students and develop and train the next generation of rail professionals that can go into these positions in the rail industry and help bring the knowledge they have gained and be able to deploy and employ some of the technologies and some of the algorithms that we have been working on with the help of our consortium partners to ensure that we are making an impact, but we're also providing a pipeline of professionals to those industries.
My name is Heinrich Foltz. I'm Deputy Director of UTCRS. I'm also a Professor of Electrical Engineering at UTRGV. UTCRS has been an avenue for engineers and technical leaders from industry to engage directly with students and faculty from the university to complete projects that have immediate relevance to the railroad industry. To me, the best thing about working at UTCRS is seeing students from the Rio Grande Valley going from being undergraduates to within a few short months, engaging directly with engineers from industry and working with engineers to produce products that are actually in the field. Before they leave this center, we see our students grow into transportation professionals.
The UTCRS has had a huge socioeconomic impact on the people of the Rio Grande Valley, the students. A lot of our students are economically disadvantaged. Having an avenue for them to be a part of a center that funds part of their education and builds their confidence and help them create pathways to graduate studies has had a huge impact on their lives and their families in ways that they could not imagine. Some of these students are now pursuing doctoral studies, and some of them have completed, and they are making good salaries that they are coming back and helping their families. These are things that we have always strived to improve the lives and the economic status of our Hispanic student population.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Lay. I'm a doctoral candidate at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. I work in Los Alamos. I'm currently a resident for the DOE and NSA LRGF Fellowship. My experience as a UTCR student was very different than most of the students that join now. I was part of the program when it first started in 2013. Dr. Taraune had recruited me to help kickstart the center to apply for this grant. And so I gained a lot of knowledge in terms of just the fundamental research that it took and collecting all that data and document writing for this program. And so it's made me very proud to be part of this from the beginning and see it grow to what it is now, thanks to Dr. T, as we like to call him. In my current role at Los Alamos National Lab, I am part of a team, specifically MPA 11, in the acoustics and sensors team. I work in ultrasound for metal additive manufacturing. A lot of the key ideas for research that I learned at UTCRS I've been able to implement now that I'm here attempting to collect data for my research for my doctoral dissertation. The impact that the UTCRS and Dr. Taraune's mentorship has had in my life is crazy. It's difficult to even express in words because not only has it provided me like my education, but it's given me the opportunities to work in very prestigious organizations like Los Alamos National Lab. Additionally, Dr. Taraune has provided support even to my family and to a lot of the people that I know that are part of my life, my friends, because we all kind of gathered around what is the UTCRS and Transportation Center. We built our lives around it and kind of made the foundations for a lot of the things that we have accomplished.
And another societal impact is our work with rail industry stakeholders, private industries, Class 1 railroads, testing facilities, where we strive to be an integral part of their day-to-day operations by helping, by assisting them in some of the projects that we're doing and funding some of our work in our center to try and provide answers to some of the challenges and problems that they face. Also, providing some of these industries with students who would go there for summer research internships and embed them with these industries so that they can see firsthand what it is to work with rail industry partners and motivate them to pursue positions in those, thus providing the next generation of workforce for that industry.
My name is Dr. Brent Wilson. I'm the CTO of HUM Industrial Technology. At HUM, we design and we manufacture wireless sensor devices to predict bearing failure. And so where we intersect with the UTCRS is that we use UTCRS as an extension of HUM, both the faculty, the graduate students, all the program directors, everybody there. They're an extension of us to do the hands-on, the research activities, the early analyses. Even when we pull bearings from the field or we need something analyzed or torn down or evaluated, we use the UTCRS for that purpose. And so we have a very close collaboration and very close interaction with the students and faculty to accomplish that part of the work. That's something that we don't actually do within HUM.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the United States Department of Transportation and the UTC program that has taken a chance in 2013 on an R3 institution, an institution that was not heavily research oriented, and taking a chance and giving us the opportunity to prove that we can perform at a level of R1 institutions and be able to produce a knowledgeable workforce that can really assist in improving rail safety in this industry. I also want to thank other federal agencies that have assisted along our journey, including NTSB, FRA, the National Science Foundation, and many of our industry partners that have sponsored the work, believed that we can deliver on what they needed to keep their operations running, for giving the chance to our students to work through the problems, for assisting them through weekly meetings, and giving them that opportunity to interact with companies at a level that builds their confidence and gives them that knowledge, that confidence, that self-dependency that they needed to be able to go and after jobs in this industry. It's not a one institute work that has made this happen. It's actually the collective of our consortium partners, industry partners, federal agencies, that has all local school districts that have worked with us to bring all of these activities, holistic activities in research, education, workforce development, technology transfer, and community engagement. We could not have done it on our own, and for everybody who has helped the University Transportation Center for Railway Safety be where we are today, thank you.